Welcome to Portland Automotive. We're thrilled to have you with us. Whether you're here for a quick oil change, major repairs, or just getting your tires checked, we're here to give you the kind of service you'll actually look forward to. The moment you walk in, you'll notice our lobby is clean and welcoming. We've got comfortable seating, free Wi-Fi, and even water bottles to stay hydrated. We know car repairs can be stressful, so we're here to make things easy. Our technicians are experienced, honest, and passionate about what they do. They'll take the time to explain exactly what's going on with your car in clear, simple terms. We also offer loaner vehicles for longer repairs. At Portland Automotive, we're not just fixing cars, we're building relationships. Our team takes pride in being a trusted part of your life and your vehicle's journey. So whether you're here for the first time or the 50th, welcome to the Portland Automotive family. We're glad you're here.